Hovercraft. You'll need the following materials and tools. 1. Carefully remove the center portion from Part B and the two smaller rectangular pieces from that section. 2. Glue the outer portion of Part B to Part A. Carefully place under a heavy book, making sure not to damage the pieces. 3. Glue the two rectangular pieces together. Carefully place under a heavy book, making sure not to damage the pieces. 4. Make the folds on Part C. 5. Glue and/or tape together to make an air vent. 6. When parts A and B are set, place them on a section cut from the plastic bag. There should be a few centimeters of room on all sides. 7. Trace the outline of the pieces onto the plastic bag, leaving about a 2 or 3 centimeter border. 8. Cut this shape out of the plastic bag. 9. Position the body of the hovercraft onto the shape you cut from the plastic bag, with Part B on the bottom. 10. Use glue and tape to attach the plastic to the body of the hovercraft, making sure to seal it well on all sides. Let set. 11. Attach the propeller to the spindle of the electric motor. 12. Use hot glue to attach the motor to the top of the two rectangular pieces. 13. When the plastic is securely set on the body of the hovercraft, flip it over. Using a thumbtack or other sharp object, poke a series of evenly spaced holes in the plastic. 14. Use the hot glue to attach Part C over the rectangular hole in Part A. The open part of Part C should face the front of the hovercraft. 15. Use hot glue to attach the motor and its mount just on the other side of the rectangular hole. The propeller should be oriented so that when it spins, it will blow air directly into the air vent, Part C. 16. Place the battery in the battery holder. 17. Attach the alligator clips on the motor to the battery holder. Be very careful, the spinning propeller can cause injury. 18. You may need to position the battery to balance the hovercraft. When you find a position that works, you can glue the battery holder into place. Place the hovercraft on a flat surface or in water. It should glide forward.